Hey, what's up, bro? I wanted to make this video so I can go through some of the feedback I'm getting lately because there is a lot of confusion around it. I'm not sure you have the whole picture about something, or it's just maybe like some issues you're facing, or you don't remember everything. I'm not sure. So, for example, this one, which I just got today. You are saying that thank you, this is looks too busy, I will use a lighter color, make it cleaner, show the nice photography more. Now you've been saying that lately about a lot of orders, but I want you to understand, when you send a photography set, you have to understand that sending two images from the same angle, I can only use it once, and I have used them all. You see this image, I have used it here. These images are literally the same image. I can only use it once. I have already used it. It's all from the top angle, like there is no much else going on. Then this image, obviously I used this image I used it again, this image I used it, and this is the same angle but I used it once. So I have been using these images. You said it about another order. I'm not sure what you are thinking, like how maybe you're just seeing like, oh, we send like 10 images and Inam only use like 4 images. Why is that reason? I tried to explain to you yesterday, like all 3 of these images are literally the same angle. Like I can use it once, then if I use it again, then it's like repetitive. Doesn't make sense. Secondly, this is the example I made for you and I sent it to you before we even start making any of these designs, and I only made a design for this specific style of category, but now I'm getting a completely different revision from you. You are saying about this design there are logos, shapes and words, which is what I made you as an example, and we made multiple images to show how to do it, and this is the example, and it literally just works the same. So I'm not sure what is changing now. How did we change the idea from this to whatever direction we are going through now? Because this is wasting a lot of time going back and forth about something that we have already decided. Then I ask you, like, can you mention what exactly do you want me to remove, and I mention about the photography as well. We need to add this stuff, we need to add the words, and we need to make it readable. Shapes, I don't see any shapes other than whatever we decided on. Logos, those badges were like a big part. We discussed about their whole branding and how important those are. So you're saying photography, yes, I'm not sure what do you mean by that, but maybe we should do 1 or 2 showing the full scene. I'm not sure what you mean by that either. Do you want me to just put the whole image there with no text or something? Because between this image and this image we are literally showing everything. I'm not removing anything, just making the whole symmetry pleasant or like in a layout. So we did it with all of the images, not just one of these. Then you attach these images. I'm not sure, you didn't mention what you want me to remove in any of this image. If you want me to remove this logo from this, let me know, I can do that. If you want me to remove any of the strips, let me know. Also you're saying like use the lighter color, it's also dark. I can use the lighter color, but this is the color we decided on. We made a whole branding with this color. So I'm not sure like why we're changing that now. Same thing happened with the cups over here. In the other one where it says please make it like fun, I think it was this fun modern theme, and then you were like no, this is like something else. So in here it was the same thing where here it said something else and then you changed and said something completely different. Other than that, this one we made a theme. You said looks very nice. You mentioned can we use all the lifestyle images. I mentioned we use all the lifestyle images. You said can you make it bigger. I was like sure, made it bigger. Then you like less graphic element. This design has like literally 1 or 2 lines of element in it. Like this is the graphic element in the whole image. Then you said it again, less background, more images, which we already did. But again, it's like, which I did. And just to show you, these images are cut in a way, like these are not taken fully. These are taken like this. You have to see like what is actually provided and what is going on in the images. Like you cannot put this in a whole 6x6 image and then put a little text here. It will look so ugly, which other competitors are doing, but we are doing it better. If I show you what we did, I think I used it in one of the images in the listing. We are using that image fully, but only showing the important part and the style. Like I don't even think like this is the image and this is what we did. So when you say like more lifestyle image or make it bigger, I'm not sure like what we want to make it bigger because we are showing everything. So overall I'm not understanding the line of feedback I'm getting lately. I need to be sure about from the description what direction we are going in and what we need to do, and also I need to make some kind of decision based on all the information. Like I'm not spending 10 minutes looking at something and making it. I see what the problem is and how we can use those images. I'm just like cropping the images in something. There is a reason behind it, a thought behind it. I'm just not like taking a image and clipping it somewhere. So I don't understand, like if you have an idea, you have to be very specific what you want to do about it. Like if it's my idea, I can explain it really well like I did right now. But if you have a different idea or like a different feedback, you have to be specific what you need to do. Like I need to get a specific information what you want me to do here. Do you want me to remove the badge? Do you want me to make the font smaller? Do you want me to remove the ribbon? Then that I can do, because when you say make it busy, less busy, I'm not sure which one of these three things you're saying. If I remove one, you will be like no, it's not good enough yet. So I need to get that feedback specifically so I can get it done quickly. Basically that's like my point. You have to be specific so I can get it in the next revision and I know like what to remove, and it's specific. I can do it quickly complete it and send it over. Like if you just say it's busy, then there are like 20 different things we can do, and I'm not sure which one of these things you have a problem with. So you mentioned like complete all of the things, like you were saying logos, shapes and words. Like that's like the whole thing except the images. Like which one do you want me to remove from which image? Then that would be like a direct feedback, and I can get it done. Like this, make the colors lighter, and that's direct. I can do that. Even though we selected the color, that's not a problem. I will make it lighter. So yeah, so I wanted to make this video because the last 4 or 5 feedback it's been really, I think, I don't know how to describe it, but it's like not aligning with whatever is provided or whatever we discussed before, like I explained through this video.